Welcome to our channel. Today, we are showcasing 50 unbelievable heavy equipment machines that operate at an entirely different level. These powerful and innovative machines are designed to handle the toughest jobs with precision and efficiency. Let's dive in and explore these engineering marvels. Excavators are essential for construction and mining. Here are some of the most impressive models. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is one of the largest hydraulic mining shovels, engineered for heavy-duty mining. Komatsu's PC8000-6 offers immense power and efficiency, perfect for large excavation projects. Liebherr's R9800 is known for its robust performance and advanced technology. The Hitachi X8000-6 combines power and precision for challenging excavation tasks. Volvo's EC950F excels in strength and versatility, capable of handling demanding jobs. Bulldozers are the backbone of heavy-duty construction. Check out these incredible machines. The Caterpillar D11T is renowned for its powerful performance and durability. Komatsu's D575A3SD is the world's largest bulldozer, designed for extreme earth-moving tasks. John Deere's 1050K combines power and advanced technology for efficiency. The Liebherr PR776 offers robust performance and cutting-edge features. Shantui's SD90-5 is celebrated for its power and reliability. Loaders are crucial for moving heavy materials. Here are the top models. Caterpillar's 992K is known for its efficiency and reliability. Komatsu's WA900-8 offers exceptional performance and advanced features. Liebherr's L586X Power combines fuel efficiency with powerful performance. Volvo's L350H is versatile and strong, handling various jobs with ease. John Deere's 944K hybrid wheel loader provides innovative technology and superior efficiency. Dump trucks transport massive loads. These are the best in the industry. The Belaz 75710 is the world's largest dump truck, capable of carrying immense loads. Caterpillar's 797F offers unmatched payload capacity and reliability. Komatsu's 980E4 is designed for high efficiency and durability. The Liebherr T284 combines advanced technology with robust performance. Hitachi's EH5000AC3 merges power with advanced features for top performance. Cranes lift and move heavy loads with precision. These are the leading models. The Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 is the world's most powerful mobile crane. Tadano's ATF 400G6 offers exceptional lifting capacity and technology. Manitowoc's MLC 650 features innovative design for large-scale projects. Terex's Demag AC 1009 combines power and versatility. The Zoomlion ZACB01 impresses with its lifting capacity and features. Graders ensure precise leveling of earth. Here are the top performers. Caterpillar's 24M offers power and precision for large-scale tasks. John Deere's 872G is robust and technologically advanced. Komatsu's GD825-2 provides excellent control and efficiency. Volvo's G990 is strong and versatile for various grading tasks. The Liebherr PR776 is perfect for precise earth leveling. Asphalt pavers are key for road construction. These models lead the way. Vogel's Super 3003i provides exceptional paving performance. Caterpillar's AP555F combines power and precision. Dynapac's SD2500CS is efficient and reliable for quality paving. Volvo's P8820DABG offers innovative features and robust performance. Bomag's BF800C is versatile for various paving applications. Drilling rigs handle tough tasks in construction and mining. Here are the best. Sandvik's DR416i offers unmatched drilling performance. Atlas Copco's Pit Viper 351 combines power with precision. Epiroc's DM32 is efficient and reliable for drilling. Liebherr's LB44-510 provides exceptional performance and features. Caterpillar's MD6250 is perfect for high-capacity drilling. Concrete mixers are vital for construction. Check out these top models. Liebherr's HTM1204 ZA is efficient and reliable for large tasks. Caterpillar's CT660 combines power with technology. Putzmeister's P13 is robust and innovative. Volvo's FMX series is versatile and strong. McNeilus' Bridgemaster combines durability with advanced technology. Tunneling machines are essential for underground construction. Here are the leaders. Herrenknecht's EPB Shield provides exceptional performance. The Robbins TBM combines power with advanced technology. Atlas Copco's Boomer XE4 offers innovative features. Caterpillar's S70 is perfect for high-capacity tunneling. NFM Technologies TBM is strong and versatile for various tasks. These 50 unbelievable heavy equipment machines are truly working at another level, showcasing incredible advancements in technology and engineering. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.